All right, welcome to day 5. Today, we are diving deep into a complete workout plan that's all about building some seriously impressive arms and a rock-solid core. If you're ready to take your training to the next level, this is for you. Let's get right into it.
I mean, let's be real. Who doesn't want strong, defined arms and a shredded midsection? It's pretty much a universal goal. But today, we're moving past just wanting it. We're giving you the exact roadmap to actually get it, step by step. So here's our game plan. We're going to attack this in 3 parts. We'll kick things off with biceps to build that classic peak. Then we'll hammer the triceps, and that's the real secret to arm size. And we'll finish everything off with a killer routine for your abs and core. It's a full-on, balanced assault.
Okay, let's jump into section 1, biceps. When most people think of big arms, this is the muscle that comes to mind, right? These next few exercises are all about building that full, rounded look that really pops. So let's see our first movement. First up, the classic easy bar curl. Now, that angled grip on the bar isn't just for show. It puts your wrists in a much more comfortable, natural position. And what that does is it lets you focus all your energy on hitting both heads of the bicep. But the real key here? Slow, controlled movement. Please don't just swing the weight up. Feel the muscle do the work, give it a good squeeze at the top for a count, and then control it all the way back down. Next, we're moving over to the cable curl. This is an absolutely fantastic exercise, especially if you're just starting out, and here's why. It gives you constant tension. See, with dumbbells, the tension can kind of drop off at the top or bottom of the lift, but a cable, it keeps your bicep under load through the entire range of motion. That is just magic for muscle growth. Lock those elbows into your sides and really focus on that powerful squeeze at the top. And our final bicep exercise is the machine preacher curl. This one is all about pure muscle isolation. Because your arms are braced against that pad, you literally can't cheat by using your shoulders or your back. It forces your biceps to do 100% of the work, and trust me, you'll feel an incredible pump. Just focus on getting a good stretch at the bottom and a really hard contraction at the top. And now on to section 2, triceps. Okay, listen up, because here's a pro tip for you. If you really want bigger arms, you have to train your triceps hard. They actually make up about 2/3 of the mass in your upper arm. So while biceps get all the glory, triceps are what build the real size. This is the secret sauce. We're kicking off the triceps workout with a beast of an exercise, the easy bar skull crusher. This move is fantastic because it targets the long head of the triceps, which is the biggest part of the muscle. Hitting this is what gives your arms that thick, full look from the back. Control is everything here. Lower the bar slowly just behind your head until you feel that nice stretch, and then powerfully press it back up to the start. Now, let's just pause here for a second because this is a really crucial piece of advice. With an exercise like skull crushers, your form is absolutely everything. So you have to leave your ego at the door. Pick a weight that you can control perfectly through every single rep. Safety always comes first. Next on the list, we have weighted bench dips. This is an incredible compound movement, which means you're hitting your triceps, your chest, and your shoulders all at the same time. The key is to get really good at the form using just your body weight first. Once you can do that easily, then you can start adding a weight plate on your lap to really level up the intensity. And our final triceps exercise is the dumbbell tricep kickback. Think of this as the sculpting exercise. This isn't about lifting a super heavy weight, it's all about precision and definition. The most important part of this whole movement is that squeeze at the very top, when your arm is completely straight. Hold it for a second. Feel that tricep contract. That's what carves out all the detail. All right, we have absolutely hammered the arms. Now it's time for the final section, abs and core. And remember, a strong core isn't just about looking good. It's the foundation of all your strength and stability. So let's get to work and build a rock-solid midsection. We're starting with the good old-fashioned floor crunch. Look, it doesn't matter if you're a complete beginner or a pro. This move is simple but incredibly effective if you do it right. The secret isn't to come all the way up. It's actually a small movement. You just want to lift your shoulder blades a few inches off the floor by squeezing your abs, not by yanking on your neck. You should really feel that contraction. Next up, the lying leg raise. This is the perfect move for targeting that stubborn lower ab area that can be so hard to hit. The absolute key here is slow, deliberate movement. As you lower your legs, fight against gravity. Control them the entire way down and stop them just before they touch the ground. Then go right back into the next rep. That's how you keep constant tension on the muscle. And to finish off our core work, we've got the Russian twist. This is your go-to exercise for hitting the obliques, those muscles on the sides of your abs, and for building great rotational stability. Keep your core tight the whole time and twist your torso from one side to the other. And just a heads up, notice on the slide that the rep count is for the total. So if it says 20 reps, that means 10 twists to each side.
And there you have it, your complete arms and abs workout all laid out on a single slide. 9 exercises, broken down by muscle group, with every set and rep you need to know. Go ahead and screenshot this right now, save it, and take it with you to the gym. This is a powerful, balanced routine that is designed to get you results. So after walking you through this entire plan, I'll leave you with this final question to think about. Which of these 9 exercises is your personal favorite? Or which one are you most excited to go out and try? Whether it's getting that insane pump from a preacher curl or feeling the burn from a Russian twist, find the moves you enjoy, stay consistent, and the results will definitely follow.